Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I am making this video where I have some useful content to share with you guys during the when 15 to 20 days are left for your examinations, and at the end what happens is that we are on the verge of leaving some things, and some sort of mental pressure builds up in our mind, and we are again short of time. So we want somebody to tell us that what are the important things we want to cover. Like for example, if there's a particular chapter, you do not have time to cover it completely, but if you, and you don't want even to leave that chapter, and you want somebody to tell you about like 50-60% this much of content that will be sufficient for examination. So for that purpose, of course I would not be able to help you out for every subject, but I have some useful content for you guys which might help you, right. First of all, I have CA Praveen Mahajan sir questions. These are termed as Super 30 questions, and it has approximately 30 to 35 questions, and these questions were, they were very very beneficial. Reason being that what happens is that these questions are considered as fillers. Now what fillers means, like let's suppose institute has made a paper of 80 to 85 marks, and now it wants to cover up, institute wants to put up some questions so as to make the paper of 100 marks. So what institute does is that generally they pick up those questions from these lists which I have given in the description box for Super 30 questions. These are issued by CA Praveen Mahajan sir. So if you are, if you want to, if you're on the verge of leaving some chapter or something, just make sure that you're doing each and every question which is there in it. इसमें से तो आएगा ही आएगा, which I'm like 99% sure, and हो सकता है the chapter which you're leaving, उस chapter का भी इसमें से question आ जाए, ठीक है. So these question you have to just make sure that you don't leave any question from this particular list. Second thing, for FR, if you have, I would highly suggest you guys to watch, first of all, watch my FR video. For the people who are short of time and all, I have given some really important things. It is based on my analysis कि क्या चीज़ें करनी है, क्या चीज़ें छोड़नी है. But हाँ, उसमें दो I have told everything in that video. But some important thing, again I wanted to say, because again I'm making a video where everything is, I just wanted to compile everything at one place. The accounting standards which has come in the previous attempt, just skip those accounting standards except AS9, which is a compulsion which generally comes in the examination either for accounts or FR, or for FR old syllabus, or for your audits exam. So never leave AS9 and AS10 also, because generally I have seen AS10 also comes. Apart from that, if any accounting standard has come in the previous attempt, just skip it. Again, if you are watching this video at the time when your exams are like 1.5 to 2 months away, then I would not suggest you guys to leave that. Again, if you want to, you can go for it, but if you have time, then again you can cover it up, right. Third important thing is that for costing, I have again compiled, though in my group 2's video I have the question of C. Atul Agarwal important questions. Basically my focus in that particular important list of question was for chapter number 2, because it is comparatively bulkier, has a lot of volume, a lot of content to cover. So if you will be doing those important list of questions from C. Atul Agarwal, that would be great, because I have seen, he just covered important questions, so there is no point in doing the entire practice manual of chapter number 2 if you are short of time. But I would not even suggest you to do it. Fourth thing, which was very 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 important, is the questions of CA Nikunj Shah, which I told you in my ISCA's video as well. These questions has actually turned out to be a boon for me at the end, because there were certain topics which I wanted to leave at the end, but since I saw the questions of those chapters of those topics in his important list of questions, and I did it from there, and I could see it in the examination hall, and approximately in the subjective paper I would say 35% to 40% of the paper was from his list of questions. I'm talking about the subjective paper, and generally if you see the trend, 30 to 40% of the subjective paper comes from his questions only. So it's very much reliable. So if you're on the verge of leaving some topic, just make sure that it is not covered in his list of questions. And if you're on the verge of leaving some chapter, then I would definitely suggest you guys that, just for example, generally I know at the end chapters like chapter number 3 or your chapter number 7 or chapter number 5, these are certain chapters which we leave. I have chapter number 5, so फिर भी I would say that you can skip it up. But for chapter number, if you don't want to take a risk, or if you want to cover chapter number 3, chapter number 3, chapter number 7, which we generally leave, then I would suggest you guys to do the questions which are given in his important list. Just don't skip it, because somewhere or the other I can say that question might appear from his important list. So if you're thinking of leaving some chapter or something, I would say just do the important list of questions for those particular chapters from his important list. Approximately there are 8 to 10 questions from each chapter, so that would be manageable, right? So this was it from my side. This was something important which I wanted to share with you guys. All the content at one place, which really helped me during my last time, and I really wanted to share with all of you. So yeah, now I would say this is it from my side. If you have any query, any doubt or something, I have given my email in the description box. Please don't write a query in it. Just give me your contact number. I will be able to call you on weekends, most probably, because weekdays are a little packed up. And apart from that, like if you think it's worth liking, comment whatever suggestion or whatsoever you want to say, please comment it and share, because I would highly stress that please share this video, because this can actually turn out to be very fruitful for people who get nervous and confused and who are not able to understand what should be done, what should not be done at the end. So it will be very fruitful for them. And subscribe if you think I'm worth listening to, then please subscribe to my channel. And I would say all the best of luck for your exams. Do well.